Out here with my boy Thomas today. Kayaked out here to the spillway. Some of y'all know this spot. Y'all from Baytown, y'all know this spot. It's not easy to get to if you ain't got a boat or a kayak.
Or easy launch.
Or easy launch. It's not easy to launch out there. But luckily my boy got the hookup and we could drop our kayaks right in the water. So we out here. We're gonna see if we can get on some fish today. If we get a slam today, or me and Thomas get our limit on reds or trout, we're gonna give away one of these face masks right here. Look at that. If we get a slam or a limit, man, y'all drop a comment. We're gonna give you one of these face masks.
I'll throw another one.
Oh yeah. Any color. We got what we got? Red, black, and blue. Yeah. Red, black, or blue. So let's try to get our slot. I mean our slam or
limit of red.
Or limit of reds or a limit of anything. Trout, reds, or flounder. Flounder's easy right now. It's only 2 flounders, but we'll see how it goes. First cast, bro. First cast. Red. Little red. Got him on a quick set. Stealth rig. Oh. Nice little red. About a 17. Nice blue tail. Look at that. He's eating good. Got 6 spots on him. Hooked up, Thomas. Real hustlers out here. What you got, dog? Yeah, he got a lot of head shake on there. Hopefully that sun ain't glaring, man. Y'all can see it. Oh, I'm getting a thump. Uh-oh. I'm getting a thump. Yeah. Let's see what we got here. What it is. It was thumping it. Yeah, it was thumping it. Oh, a little puppy drum, bro. Little puppy drum. All right, my second fish, guys. Caught him on this little stealth leader Leonard gave me. Trying it out and see. Ooh, little puppy drum, dog. Thomas is hooked up again. Let's see what he got. Looks like a nice one. The other boat over here done hooked up with 2 nice slots, man. I haven't got 1 slot yet. Oh yeah, what is it? What is it? Little rat one. Yeah, getting there. We're getting there. Man, that guy take off on me or what? Yep, sure did. He was on. He was on. It feels like a little one.
I guess I let them bite it yesterday.
Alright. Oh. What is it? What you got there? Come on, we gotta get our first slot. We gotta get our first slot on the stringer. 27-inch flounder. What? That's a slot, boy. On squid.
Woo! Yeah, I'm gonna show it.
There we go. Oh, another fucking puppy drum. Come on, man, don't be making a mess. We'll go from there. We got a boat coming in right now. Uh-oh. The motor's knocking on the rocks over here. Ooh, it's warm. It is warm and it's in the middle of November. Hot dog.
Oh, it was like cold last
Ooh.
year.
Yeah, but this time last year was cool, remember?
Cool.
The water was low as hell too, remember?
Oh, man, come on.
That's how it is over here at the Spillway though, bro. There's not really shit you can do, dog. Boats.
You going to start?
That's just the way it is at the Spillway. Scoot back a little bit, get out of Thomas's way. Thomas got another slide over here. Look at that. Bam! Exactly. Yeah. Now I gotta measure the tape. Yeah. It's a nice red dog right behind you too, huh? Yep. It's a perfect fucking slot right there, dog.
About 27 and a half, 28.
Yep. That's a perfect slot, bro. That's a fucking tournament slot, 27 and a half. Yeah, I see it, dog. Pup drum, bro. I hit about half a dozen of these little suckers already. They're almost good size to eat. Little puppy drum, man. Get her. Yeah, that little drum was hitting like a flounder, bro. Something feels like, I don't know what that is. Rock. Yeah, rock. Oh yeah, that one's heavy. I was pulling the kayak out. He's still little too. Had a little fight on him though. Ooh, man, that would have pulled me all the way over there. He pulled me out to the middle. Oh, 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 oh. Look, she spit it right there too. Let's see what size he is. Another 18. Whew. That is a nice redfish. Put it back in there. Let's go. What you got there, Thomas? Something, huh?
He picked it up. He didn't hit it. You can tell you just had the strip in his mouth.
Yeah, he picked it up and started walking with it.
He was about to take off. Set the hook.
Yeah, he started walking with it. Oh, oh, he's on my line. You got him? There you go, you got him. Woo! There's a slot. Yeah, that's bigger than a slot there. Still, Thomas is still fighting with it. Yeah.
On the anchor right there, it's all against the wall.
Was that on the wall, Thomas?
Huh?
That one was hooked up wide on the wall? What do you think that is, 30? No. Yeah. Clean release. What was it, 30?
Yeah, 30.
He's kind of tired, man. He had to bring him in. All right, guys, we're headed back in. It's a little bit more choppy than it was earlier. Thomas got his limit, so that means I got to give up one of these face masks. So drop a comment below, and I'm gonna give away one of these face masks. They come black, red, and blue. Get some of this Real Hustler merchandise. See if I can catch up to Tomas right now. Man, I got a bunch of rat reds today, but man, nice rat reds. 18s. I don't know if that's a nice rat red or not. I don't know if any rat red's nice. We got one bull drum and 3 slots. One bull like over 30 inches. All right, guys, we're gonna head up to the truck and load this kayaks up. Man, what you got there, dog? 25, 28?
25, 26.
What? 28, 25, and a 26. Killer right here.
Ha, Real Hustler, baby.
Got the limit today, so got some blue, some black, and some red, guys. Drop a comment below, and you know what it is.